Yeah, man, welcome forward to the channel, man. I don't know if I hear the voice, I don't know. I won't say I represent for the TV. You see it? Only one thing I can say now, yo. Two things I can say. Tell a youth a family, say, yo, prepare for start go look for the youth a big yard or 6'6". Yo, remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the TV. I'm out.
Mampy, where do you know, Mampy? Mampy, man, on the internet, I'm yard. But you want a video call and show your style, is it? Mampy, upgrading a Mampy. Back to your regular. That one name Kill Police. See it, Mampy? You see it, Mampy? Mampy, me no want to do it, Mampy. God no. You see it, Mampy, see it there. You see it, Mampy, Mampy. See it? Me tell you, Mampy. Last night I seen eating dark. Lord. See it, Mampy, then. Me know say you see it. Me know for sure say you see it, Mampy. You see me? Me know for sure say you see them, say then. You see them, Mampy? Look, Mampy, you see say then, Mampy. I told no much about it last night, Mampy. Oh God, Mampy, you sing sweet. I want you hear you see, Mama. I want you hear it. Bad. Full of effect, Mama. You say, I'm a chop one out of it, you know. Mampy, idea. Me don't want chop one right now, but me can't chop one for you right now, Mampy. Sorry. You see it. Full effect, Mampy. Tell you.
Move away from me. I have a restraining order.
Why are you trailing my vehicle?
I have a restraining order.
Why are you trailing my vehicle?
Let me go by the station.
Why are you trailing my vehicle? Why are you trailing my vehicle?
Move away from me. I have a
Why
restraining
are
order.
you trailing my vehicle?
Move away from me.
Why are you trailing my vehicle?
Move away
Why
from me.
are you trailing my vehicle?
Judge, me no want you. You need to understand that. Me tell us I no want no money for you me. You need to understand that. I don't want you. Morning.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Oh, I'm in television. Why is my child unattended in the car?
Come and have a limited time span.
No, why is my child unattended in the car? I am taking notes. Why is my child unattended in the car? Why is my child unattended? Videotape me. Why is my child unattended in the car? I am taking notes. I am taking notes. My child is unattended in the car. I'm gonna put up a live goal, see if I can get.
Tell me more. Wagwan. So what you know me Miss Bling in person. And when I meet Miss Bling in person, oh Lord, I must identify this magnificent beauty. I saw Miss Bling nice looking. Yeah, Miss Bling.
Something as well.
How mute?
I think me need to mute.
You hear me? Me mute? Me mute?
I use my other phone.
One another stop love man more than honor love and freedom, more than honor love and own life, more than honor love and self and on the kids them when. Let's talk about LiQWYD Bradshaw, the 34-year-old baby mother of Philip Paulwell, who is in custody and is possibly being charged for kidnapping and conspiracy to murder. And that is in relation to the disappearance and as presumed murder of Philip Paulwell's other baby mother and the kid that they share together. Now, the JSF is reporting that they have enough evidence to charge LiQWYD along with 3 other men that they believe aided in the disappearance and the murder of the man baby mother and him other child. The moment I heard this, I knew right away that it was a love triangle gone completely wrong. Now, I understand fully, so we love who we love. But when I see things, I get to the stage and the point in the relationship where you are now sitting down and scheming and thinking of a way for get rid of the next woman and the picking what the next man have, you don't realize say you lose yourself. You don't realize say no man, the relationship you not serve me no more. I need to put down this because it make me think too devious. So this beautiful girl, well-accomplished girl, said to herself, say, she rather hire some man for get rid of the man baby mother and his 10-month-old daughter just so that she can have the man to herself. I'm asking a question. On a thing so one can out-kill a man's desire to cheat? No matter how much millions you have and how much money you sit on pan, how much time you think you can hire a man for kill a next girl, forget your man to yourself. To make matters even worse, you have a child that if you get caught, if these men get caught and they rat you out, now your baby sit down without a mother. You know how dangerous it is out here to have a child, a girl pitney being raised without her mother in her life? When I ever love a man more than I love myself? When? I love deep, I'm love strong, you know, I'm wear my heart on my sleeve. But you're not gonna ever see me love no man more than how I love me and my freedom. In the heat of the moment, things can happen. I tell myself all the time, say all of us walking around, we are capable of murder. But when you sit down and conspire and plan and scheme and you find the money and you book a plane ticket for come to Jamaica and do your wrongs, it means that you have ample time to sit down and think. Nobody is worth your freedom, no matter how the dick good, no matter how the benefits good. Because when you go to prison, what you think the man gonna do? You lose the man same way. And next girl I go right after it there. While you in a prison and play hopscotch with the other prisoner them with your friends. Learn to walk away. It's when you see the relationship take a certain turn. When you see say you start to devious and wicked, step back. And I hear man that. These are the same reason why no found no stop run up and down a obia man over a man. Obia man say the whole of summer phone up here over a man on a dirty up on a hand. If the man did respect you, him would have a 10-month-old baby pan you. I could talk about how it really go. So the problem are really the man. But you just can't see your life without him. Can't see yourself without that man. He's the one you want. No matter how I plan my life and my future with you, no matter how the benefits will come with you great, the moment you make me start things certain way, the moment you make me start certain way, the moment you start make me so miserable that I sit down at night time or lay down on my bed and I try to figure out when I can do forget rid of that girl here, at the time I realize that you're the problem and I need to get rid of you. I need to move you up out of my life and move on. But you know, do everything except for move on. But the life I move you on there because I straight to prison you gone and the man I go find himself a next girl if him never have her already.